أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम सिक्स क्लास के मैथ आफाक सीरीज़ का यूनिट नंबर 11 पढ़ेंगे, जिसका अनुमान है पैरामीटर एंड एरिया। जैसा कि हम पहले as we have already studied in our previous class the area and parameter. So the area of a square is because the square has all the four lengths equal, so its area will be length into width. That is, two length will become the area of a square, and pyramid will be the sum of all the areas L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4, that is equal to 4 into L. So we will see different. In question number 1, find the area and perimeter of squares of the following lengths. Okay, we'll see how we can find it. In A part, what we will do, it is 23 centimeter one length. So the area will be 23 multiplied by 23, that is equal to 529. And parameter will be 4 into L, 4 into 23. So its answer will be 92 centimeter. In the same way, B part, that is 15 meter. 15 meters mean area of the square will be 15 multiplied by 15, and parameter will be 15 multiplied by 4. In the same way, 38 centimeter. 38 centimeter, we know that area is length into length, length into width, or length into length, because for the square all the four sides are equal. So 38 multiplied by 38 will be the area of square, and pyramid will be 38 multiplied by 4. So in the same way, D part will be 76 multiplied by 76, that will be the area of a square, and 4 multiplied by 76 will be the pyramid of the square. So let's see the one example, and we will do all the same. You have to do all the same by in this way. So this is our area of a pyramid, chapter 11. This is the exercise name is last review. Area of a square is L into L. One area is given as 23 centimeter. So area of square will be 23 multiplied by 23, and answer will be 7. In the same way, pyramid of square is equal to 4L. So we will multiply 4 multiplied by L1 length is 23, so it will be 92. So pyramid will be 92 centimeter. In the same way, you have to complete all the questions. These are just a reminder or just a revision. Okay, now the question number 2 is find area and perimeter of rectangles of the following length and width. So before that, in question number 1, we find out the perimeter of square and area of a square. Now here the perimeter and area of a rectangle. So we know that in rectangle, the area of the rectangle is length into width, and perimeter 2 into length plus width. So using this formula, we can find out the area and perimeter. Question number 2 we'll do from part A to part D. Let's see. So now here the two lengths are given, one length and one width is given. So here the width length is 13 centimeter and width is 19 centimeter. So we know that formula of area is equal to area of a rectangle is equal to length into width. So length is 13 into 19, that is equal to 247 centimeter. In the same way, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length in plus width. So 2 length plus 2 width is the perimeter of a rectangle. So P is equal to 2 into 13 plus 19. So its addition will be 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. So pyramid will be 64 centimeters of a rectangle. Okay, in area we have centimeter square, not the centimeter, it will be the centimeter square. So 247 centimeter square is the answer. So in part B, one length is given as 35 centimeter and width is 29 centimeter. So L is 35 centimeter and width is 29 centimeter. Area will be 35 multiplied by 29 is equal to 1015 centimeter square. So the pyramid will be 2 into L plus width, length plus width. So 35 plus 29 is equal to 2 into 64, that is equal to 128 centimeters. So that is the area and perimeter of rectangle. So now part C. One is the length is 38 centimeter and width is 22 centimeter. So area will be, area is equal to length into width, that is 38 centimeter multiplied by 22 centimeters. So it will be 836 centimeter square. So pyramid will be pyramid of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. So P is equal to 2 into 38 plus 22. It is 2 into 60. So answer is pyramid is 120 centimeters. So now part D. The length of a rectangle is 51 centimeters and width is 44 centimeters. Length is 51 centimeters and width is 44 centimeters. So area will be length into width. So 51 multiplied by 44, that is equal to 2244 centimeters square. In the same way, the pyramid will be 2 into length plus width, 2 51 plus 54, that is equal to 2 into 95. So when we multiply 95 by 2, it is 5 2s are 10, 1, 2 9s are 18 and 1 19. So 190 centimeter is the pyramid of the given length and width. Now question number 3. The perimeter of a rectangle prayer mat is 5 meters. What is the length of the prayer mat if its width is 1 meter. यानी हमें लेंथ मालूम करनी है जबकि पैरामीटर और width हमको दिया हुआ है. So let's see how we can find out. As we know that area of a parameter, as we know that the parameter of a rectangle is 2 into length into width. So parameter is given as 15 meters. One width is equal to 1 meter, and we have to find out the length. So according to our formula, P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So here we can just find out. No, we have to find out the pyramid of a rectangle whose no, we have to find out the length of the pyramid, whereas the value of pyramid and width is given. So P is equal to pyramid is equal to 15 meters and width is equal to 1 meter. So we have to find out the length. So here what we will do, we know the formula P is equal to 2L plus 2W. We have to find out the value of this L. So we will eliminate all these things from here. As we have learnt in our algebra that here if something is going to added, we will subtract this from both sides. So P minus 2W is equal to 2L plus 2W minus 2W. So this 2W is cancelled from here. So we find it that P minus 2W is equal to 2L. So in the same way, here 2 is multiplying with L. We have to divide by 2 to both sides. So P minus 2W divided by 2 is equal to 2L divided by 2. This 2 will be cancelled from here. Our formula will be L is equal to P minus 2W divided by 2. So P parameter is 15 and 2 is the formula and multiplied by 1 meters. The value of width of this parameter is 1 divided by 2. So it will be the 15 minus 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 13 by 2 meters. That is the area of that is the length of one length of the given measurements. So now question number 4. The length of a garden is 9 meter and the width is 7 meter. Find the cost of growing grass at the rate of 95 rupees 95 per meter square. So here what length and width are given of the garden. So okay, here length is given as 9 meter and width is equal to 7 meter. So we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So according to the formula, parameter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So L is we have given 9 plus 2 into 7. So that is equal to 18 plus 14 is equal to 32 meter. So cost per meter is given as 95 rupees. So the total cost will be 32 and 95 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 95. So its answer will be okay. So it's when we multiply 32 into 95, its answer will be 3040 rupees. Total cost of the area will be like that. Total cost of growing grass is 3040 rupees.